औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Hello and warm welcome to all warm companions of the global world. My name is Atif Salim, but I am from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about judicial corruption. Let's start topic of the day through step-by-step procedure. I am moving towards phase number 1, step number 1. Are you with me? You all are well familiar about land mafia activities. They all are going towards niche direction day by day. They all are creating hustle and bustle in the global society. They all are exploiting trillion people of the global world. That's why the people are going towards swindling direction day by day, because justice system is null and void, especially in our society. We all are not maintaining even Steven quality standard of justice in our society with massive cognition of sterling. This group is maintained by the three advocates of Faisalabad: Atavans, son of Muhammad Bhutta; Muhammad Rizwan Umarawan, son of unknown; Mahmood Man, son of unknown. Atavans, chamber number 39, Allama Iqbal Law Building, District Court, Faisalabad. This person is maintaining bogus registries without any existence of plot. So plot point is 0. He is also not maintaining any kind of revenue record. Revenue record means submission of the plots, activities of the plot, interconnectivity of the plot. So base point is 0. Are you understanding each and everything? The other closure partners are supporting Atavans to earn trillion rupees from the global people of the global world. Atavans, son of Muhammad Bhutta, Muhammad Rizwan Umarawan, as well as Mahmood Man are not maintaining any kind of property, especially in the suburb area 2225 Rebe Malkhawala Medina City Colony, Faisalabad. These person services were not attained by any town developer of the town. They are manipulating zero-based registries as per on record. The town developer was hired the services of Muhammad Murtaza Hakim. This person is performing current Secretary Bar Association Faisalabad job at that particular tenor. But Atavans and other gang members are maintaining mismatching zero-based bogus registries as per on record instead of any kind of direction or services from town developers. These busters are not maintaining any kind of single plot, especially in this town. So advocates base point plot existence point is 0, as well as revenue record is 0. So they were attained the services of planted persons such as Manzoora Bibi, spouse of Muhammad Sadiq, resident of check number 80 Gaf Bay, Faisalabad; Muhammad Sadiq, son of unknown, resident of 80 Gaf Bay, Faisalabad; Farhan Ali, son of Muhammad Sadiq, resident of 80 Gaf Bay, Faisalabad; Shabir Ahmad, son of Bashir Ahmad, resident of 225 Rebe Malkhawala; Muhammad Nadeem, son of Muhammad Rafiq, resident of 225 Rebe Malkhawala, Nawab Town 1, Faisalabad; Mukhtar, uncle of Atavans and brother of his father Muhammad Bhutta, check number 225 Rebe, Faisalabad. Okay, do you understand each and everything? They were considered as obstinate Machiavellian personalities. They all are living in rented houses because they are providing services to the unethical manner, especially the advocates. These planted persons are not maintaining any kind of personal property, especially in this town suburb area of 225 Rebe, Malkhanwala, Medina City Colony, Faisalabad. They all are living in rented houses. Even though the advocates are not maintaining any kind of personal property as well as town ownership of Malkhanwala. Are you understand each and everything? Police department is giving obstinate facilitator role especially to the land mafia hooligans. So hooligans are playing Machiavellian strategies, especially with the general public of the global world. That's why they are depriving from money as well as opulence. These police rascals are receiving 2 million to 3 million per month gratification from land mafia. Are you understand each and everything? We are also sharing police names. Police Station Sadar, Jaranwala Road, Faisalabad. Superintendent of Police Iqbal Division, Iqbal Town, Samnabad, Faisalabad. City Police Officer, Faisalabad, and so on. The bastards, one of fastest friend, is providing 2 to 3 million per month gratification to the police department. So that's why police department is unable to lodge any kind of FIR, first information report, especially against the hold'ems. These police dogs are starting acting and dramatic approach to the general public. So that's why people are feeling heaps of ambiguities and stumbling blocks due to the bashful and shameless act of the police officials. It is considered as massive acts and painful below, especially with the humanity. Our role is sandpaper gate. Everything is saleable in our society. We are going toward a little bit off color direction day by day because evaluation system is nil, especially in our society. These police departments fellows are going towards downward direction day by day. They are working for personal benefit instead of general public. They are exploiting general public. The closure of police department is essential as soon as possible. They all are creating burden on the trade department. They all are not perform any kind of first information report of complaint in the presence of documented evidence file as well as witness. They are working for personal benefit. They are involved in two kinds of earning, one from government side, second from land mafia side. I am moving towards phase number 2, step number 2. You all are watching mismatching zero-based bogus registries as well as zero-based revenue record, which is showing no record found in Punjab Land Record Authority. They are not considered the owner of the property, even though they are not falling in the open declaration of the property. All are well familiar about our execution of degree. We are striving hard for the trillion mates of the global world. We want to protect with safety and security. They are considered as culprit people. I am striving hard to protect trillion people of the global world. Phase number 3, step number 3. We will lodge execution of degree petition as on 3rd Feb 2023. Actually, we were lodged 3 application of execution of degree. We were pursue the superior quality standard of Honorable High Court, which is determined in Order 21 Civil Code Procedure 1908. So amendment was done as on 2018 from Honorable High Court side. Execution of Decree Order 21 CPC is a hybrid gesture of 106 mention of order. Execution mean implementation stage. We are not falling in the trial stage, we are going towards implementation stage because trial was previously done in the permanent injunction case, which was declared as ex parte as per prior decision in the favor of decree holders Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt as well as Mr. Umar Salim Bhatt. We were attached several documented evidence file along with applications. Number 1. Attested petition of Muhammad Nadeem versus Atif Salim Bhatt copy. Number 2. Justice of Peace attested petition copy. Number 3. Attested copy of permanent injunction decision. Number 4. Original 1-5 call record which was issued by the Punjab Safe City Authority Lahore with the stamp and signature of Chief Law Officer Punjab. This order is not challengeable in any court of justice. You could not be challenged this order. Okay? Number 4. Registered police complaints. Top level police management to bottom level police management. I was marked second complaint from Commissioner Faisalabad to City Police Officer Faisalabad. Ghulam Mubashir Meccan was City Police Officer Faisalabad at that particular tenor. This report was forwarded towards Superintendent of Police Muhammad Nabil Khokar. He was performed Superintendent of Police duty in Iqbal Division, Samnabad, Faisalabad. And then this application was moved to the station house. Vahid Shahid, son of Riyaz Shahid late, brother of Shakil Shahid, who was the ex-Labour Minister of Punjab in Imran Khan think tenor. Okay, do you understand each and everything? But Vahid Shahid was more oftenly involved in the gratification. He was unable to provide any kind of answer to the Superintendent of Police as well as City Police Officer and Commissioner Faisalabad. This registered application is pending till now without lodging any kind of FIR. Vahid Shahid is easily a saleable person. This person has already been terminated from services at least 65 times. But his brother Shakil Shahid was used his influence to restore his brother. Do you understand? Corruption at its very best level. The third application was moved on, but result was the same. Even though police department performance is nothing, especially in the standable manner, police department closure is essential. Okay? Eyewitnesses written plus oral statements, call record of Shabir Ahmad, son of Bashir Ahmad and other persons, colored pictures, Order 21 CPC highlighted copies, enabling all provisions of law, seeking all remedies of law. We were providing attested copies as well as highlighted photocopies. Do you understand each and everything? This file is considered as massive documented evidence file which was submitted in the Honorable Civil Judge Mr. Umar Daraz Haral as on 25th December 2023. This short summary of file was submitted by the legal counsel of degree holder Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt as on 20th June 2023. Mr. Umar Daraz Haral was issued warrant arrestation as per section 94 CPC proceeding, which is considered non-bailable and non-disposable warrants of arrestation. But it is my unfortunate duty to inform all of you that implementation of arrestation plus security generation order dated 20th June 2023 is missing till now, especially from court side. They all are going toward beyond the law direction day by day. We all are maintaining disparity level, especially in our society. So that's why we are not moving toward uplifted direction day by day. I am moving towards last phase of my video. I am post-morteming the performance of judicial system, especially below par judiciary, civil judges and so on. My execution of degree case was handled by the three civil judges. Number 1, Mr. Umar Daraz Haral. Number 2, Ms. Fatma Qayyum. Number 3, Aman Ullah Bhatti. Umar Daraz Haral was resolved 99% case. Just 1% case was left at that particular tenor before issuing final verdict of this particular case. Umar Daraz Haral was 100% pursuing top level management order 21 CPC, which was issued by his parents branch Honorable High Court. Umar Daraz Haral was maintaining true spirit of law. He was maintaining original status quo of the petition. In the early phase of this particular case, execution of decree, Umar Daraz Haral was not aware with the execution of decree as well as Honorable High Court Order 21 CPC Amendment 2018 in Civil Code Procedure 1908. Honorable High Court is a parent branch of senior district judge as well as civil judge. So they all are legally duty bound to 100% pursue the order of Honorable High Court with true spirit of law. But Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt was giving prolific and accomplished assistance to Umar Daraz Haral along with the Chartered of Order 21 CPC, which is clearly stated about every permanent injection specific performance is executable. So then Mr. Umar Daraz Haral was realized that it is a execution of degree case instead of other case. Umar Daraz Haral was earned Master of English degree. So he was also pursuing superior quality standard of legal framing issues as well as narration writing. Narration was writing in decent and sophisticated manner at that particular tenor. Whenever Mr. Umar Daraz Haral was faced any kind of ambiguity, so Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt was provided hail and hearty assistance to Mr. Umar Daraz Haral, especially in execution of degree matter. Mr. Umar Daraz Haral was transferred from this case. He was joined Jedawala Court. Miss Fatma Qayyum was joined this particular court. But the problem area of Fatma Qayyum was his reader Rana Sakhawat was manipulated the record. He was entered one unlawful and illegal line as per on accord. Although warrant arrestation was issued as on 20th June 2023, narration writing was not written properly. Fatma Qayyum was not read the file in proper manner, so that's why Mr. Atif Salim Butt was faced heaps of ambiguity, hindrances and hurdles, especially in the tenor of Miss Fatma Qayyum. Mr. Atif Salim Butt was performed last advanced argument in the court of Miss Fatma Qayyum as on 18th November 2023. Miss Fatma Qayyum was said that I want to listen second party. Although the right of second party was struck off, they all were deliberately disappeared from court almost 418 days. They are not maintaining any kind of documented evidence file. You all are evaluating massive documented evidence file of Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt. It was considered as every hearing routine. Miss Fatma Qayyum was given the standard answer to Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt. I want to listen second party. I want to listen second party. I want to listen second party. They all are wasting precious time of Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt. Although Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt was awarded ex parte decisions because they are not showing anything in the court. I am talking about the judgment debtors press facilitator talk. Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt was provided original sale deed as well as revenue record, which was written in the order of dated 20th June 2023 by Umar Daraz Haral. Later on, Javelin delinquished Amanullah Bhatti was joined this particular course. He was starting acting and drama from early stage of joining. It was not our case. I want to dispose this case. He was not listen Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt properly. Actually, he was received gratification. He was enjoying hefty amount from land mafia. He is easily a saleable person. He was belonged to Hafizabad, later on settled to Lahore. His law efficiency was nil, education was nil, narration writing was nil, efficiency was nil, punctuality was nil, Urdu and English reading was nil, personality was nil, narration writing was nil, English skill and communication are nil, facts and figure evaluation are nil, documentation evaluation are nil. If everything is nil, he is a saleable person. This person is acting like a monkey. He is moving here and there. This donkey was deliberately performing illicit, illegitimate activities to protect the land mafia bastards. Even though they all are unable to provide anything in the court, but Amanullah Bhatti was representative the land mafia criminals. He was starting criminal activities from early stage to till now. He wants to dispose this case without generating any kind of security, arrestation warrant, movable, immovable property because he wants to do his own property to the degree holders. He is not well aware with the law and judgments of the Honorable High Court as well as Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, whereas clearly stated that judges' properties are saleable if they are providing facilitator role. So, Amanullah Bhatti Civil Judge Class 1 is providing facilitator role. He wants to dispose this case without generating anything. The law of his parent branch, Honorable High Court, is suggesting that you should not be disposed this case unless you should not be completed each and everything. So nothing is in the hands of Amanullah Bhatti. Amanullah Bhatti example is just like a barking dog. He is adapting inferior quality standard dogmatic approach. He is unable to dispose this case. His narration writing is nil, law knowledge is nil. He is nothing. He is not standable in the eye of law. The selection of Amanullah Bhatti and other judges are a great question mark on the efficiency of Judicial Commission Punjab as well as Honorable High Court, Honorable Supreme Court. Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt was launched multiple complaints to the Honorable High Court and Supreme Court, but performance of top level management to bottom level management is nil. They are not issuing transparent decision in the favor of degree holder Mr. Atif Salim, but till now they are using delay tactics. Amanullah Bhatti was pursuing narrow-minded system. He was deliberately delaying this case decision because he is well aware that Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt is maintaining 100% transparency. If I will be issuing illegitimate illicit decision against Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt, so he will be pursue the superior quality standard of appeal as well as civil revision. The file is still in the custody of Mr. Amanullah Bhatti. Last day, I was warned to Amanullah Bhatti that he should be issued decision till tomorrow. Tomorrow means last day, but implementation was missing till now. I was personally visited Amanullah Bhatti office, but Amanullah Bhatti was unable to attend this office. Amanullah Bhatti and civil judges' terminations are essential till death without gratuity and any other benefits. His all decisions are creating question mark, which was performed by the Amanullah Bhatti in the different courts. I have mentioned earlier the efficiency mind management systems. He is like a dog who could not be act as per on accord beyond the law, beyond the limit, but it is unlegally, feloniously, erroneously acting as per on accord. Javed Hashmi lifetime ban and termination is also essential without gratuity and all other benefits. We all are spreading tenderness of love, affection and care in the global world. We all are down to earth to serve the humanity as humanitarian and philanthropists of the global world with massive cognition of supremacy. You all are going towards super duper direction with majestic stuff of superness. I am talking to witty stakeholders. This case decision is a right of degree holder. Degree holder Mr. Atif Salim Bhatt and Umair Salim Bhatt are demanding their right. We are watching top level judiciary. But unfortunately, the top level judiciary is also taking lane rest. The funeral of judiciary will be performed very soon. Love you all.